Hello, welcome to our video tutorials. These videos will show you the steps for the wall-mounted installation with 86 embedded boxes for multi-tenant door stations. In this video, we'll take the Akuvox Smart Intercom R29 as an example. Let's move on to the installation. First things first, for safety concerns, please make sure on-site power is completely turned off before you get started. Please only use our recommended network cable in the installation. Let's start installing the unit by first installing the bracket. Place the bracket properly on the wall according to the position of the 86 embedded box. Then, use a pencil to mark the location of the holes on the wall. Use a 5mm diameter bit hand drill to drill the holes. Now, you will be able to insert fixing seats into the holes. Place the bracket properly on the wall again and fix the bracket with the 8 screws. Here, we suggest to start screwing with 2 screws in the middle with the 86 embedded box and use a level meter to help with the installation. Next, we are going to install the back cover. We recommend using a rope for preventing the device from falling by accident in a single-person installation. First, you need to insert the silicone rubber sealing ring into the groove and let the cables go through the back cover. The back cover and silicone rubber sealing ring are indispensable for waterproofing, so please carefully follow the steps in this video. Next, we are going to connect the cables. For connecting the door locks, please wire the relay. Here, we have a PoE Ethernet cable. You may plug the cable into the Ethernet port. After wiring, fix the back cover with the 4 screws. Again, for waterproofing, please select a suitable size rubber plug to compress the cables tightly. Finally, insert a locking cable plate and use 2 screws to fix it to the intercom. The back cover installation has been completed. The last step is to install the main unit. You must place the device into the bracket and pull it down to ensure its groove hooks onto the bracket's lock catches. Finally, screw 2 screws in the bottom to tighten the device. We strongly recommend using the provided screws to reduce the risk of tampering. Now, the whole installation is finished. Thanks for watching. We wish you a pleasant experience with Akuvox.